Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then go to Contacts and choose the contact that you want to personalize. Tap on Edit icon, here, the pencil one, and select Add Picture. And now you can choose something from your camera. Like if you'll tap on camera, you'll be able to grab a picture right now. Then you can choose something from your gallery, then one from Google Photos or default illustrations. So let me pick, for example, this one. You can change theme, tap on Choose, tap on Save then, and that's it. As you can see, picture is applied to this contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.